Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make fast homemade ice cream. This ice cream takes only about 5 minutes to make. No ice cream machine is required. In fact, we're gonna make our own out of 2 plastic bags. Start by placing about 3 cups of ice into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Now, ice alone is not enough to freeze our ice cream. You also need salt. Today I'm using rock salt, which is ice cream salt, or you can just use regular salt. You'll need half a cup, and you'll just want to sprinkle that in with the ice. This is going to lower the melting point of the ice. So not only is this a fun activity to do with the kids, it's also a great science experiment. The ice cream mixture can't freeze at the same temperature as the ice due to the fat and sugar content. We need the salt to lower the melting point of the ice, which will actually lower the overall temperature in our makeshift ice cream maker. Pretty neat, huh? Set that aside for a second and grab another gallon-sized resealable plastic bag, and we're gonna make a vanilla ice cream base. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, and then 1 cup of half and half. Half and half is a mixture of half cream, half milk. So if you don't have half and half where you live, you can also just do 1.5 cups of heavy cream and half a cup of milk. We'll sweeten things up with half a cup of sugar, and you can also use a sugar substitute, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then seal this up and give it a little shake to combine. This same method will work with any ice cream base, so you can make chocolate ice cream or strawberry ice cream or mint ice cream or raspberry ice cream. Really, your imagination is the limit. We're gonna take the vanilla mixture and place it down in with our ice and seal up the bag. You wanna make sure that your ice cream bag is sealed really well so that there's no leaks, because once it mixes with the ice and rock salt, it doesn't taste very good. Then we're gonna take the bag and just give it a shake and keep shaking until the ice cream freezes. Now this is pretty cold, so if your hands are getting too cold, you'll want to take a towel and wrap the ice bag up in it and use that to shake it instead. It takes about 5 minutes of shaking to get that ice cream to freeze. After about 5 minutes, you'll see that most of the ice has melted and you have a frozen mixture inside, so let's pull it out. Look at that, we've got ice cream. Just open up the bag and we can scoop it on out. I swear we made ice cream this way every summer growing up. It's just so much fun, and you can even make ice cream while camping. Now, this same principle that we applied to the bags can also be applied to making ice cream in cans. You just need a larger can and a smaller can that fits inside. So coffee cans or a number 10 can will work really well for this. You'll put your ice cream into the smaller can and then your ice surrounding it in the larger can. And the fun part about this is that you can sit on the ground and roll the can back and forth. If you don't eat all of the ice cream right away, you can pop this into the freezer for later enjoyment. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.